I take inspiration from sounds I hear on a daily basis. Everything around me helps me compose music. I like composing music because you can get just that perfect chord progression, and you can see in everyone's faces just the enjoyment. One piece of music can change the mood in any room. I use Kano code because it's easier to read, especially as it codes in blocks. You can see this block does this, the next block does that. I love creating my own music, and the KanoPC is definitely the perfect tool for that.